All right, this is our Heroscape connector for the starter base tile. We also have connectors like this and this for Heroscape. And so we're going to show you a quick little build using the Heroscape connectors. And let's see if we can get that done. So what we'll do is we'll just add a couple here. And this again is just a quick way of connecting, you know, HyGround tiles and Heroscape tiles if you're, you know, so inclined to do. All right. So, and then we just keep adding. We can just add the tiles as we like them, or need them, or want them. Something of that nature. And we'll just build that direction. And then this direction, we're going to build with the HyGround tiles, and we'll just add this, the starter bases underneath these. We can actually add, so this is the base tile, and this is the starter base tile. There's just a little bit of difference there. And we'll just put this one on here, clip it in. That'll work great. We can do this also where we clip this in here, and all of these will hold it together. So that's how that works. Now the Heroscape tiles are a little bit, you know, they hold together slightly different, but anyways, there's that's pretty much how they can connect together. We can also connect them using you know, these connectors here, and then let me do a couple of these real quick. Like this, and then we can add these guys in here if we like, something of that nature. Anyway, so here, let me do a couple more items here. We'll just build onto this real quick, and let's see here. I'm gonna add another piece over here. We're going to just add some more pieces as we go here. And the cool part is that all of this is, you know, you can put these in. There's single crowns and double crowns. This way you can span gaps if you need to. If you don't want to, you could use the single crowns. You know, just whatever's needed in your build. And I'm just going to put a bunch of these on here. And then we can also put some water tiles up here. Let's say there's a little lake up here, and we can put some water tiles on there. Again, the water tiles are slightly less high than the regular crown tiles, so that you can have you know, movement in and out of water, or just slightly different. Similar to the way that it works in Heroscape. Another cool thing here is that we can, here, let me do this real quick. I'm going to add on some additional stuff here. So in using the Heroscape tiles, you know, we can also build, instead of going vertical, we can go instead of going horizontal, we can go vertical, right? And so, anyways, Kara corrected me on that. Here we go. So we can start with these starter base tiles. They're designed to go either flat on your board, but they also work specifically right here in the... So do I need to move this way? Okay. So anyways, they fit right on top. So you can do, you know, miscellaneous designs on top of the Heroscape. Yeah, I guess I should put that underneath. Anyways, I didn't do that. All right. So now you just go through and you can clip these into place. And, you know, you could add all kinds of cool stuff here. I don't know what we want to put in here, but we've got, this is a little crypt. It's got an old tree and its roots hanging. You can kind of get an idea of that. That's kind of cool. You get add some of that. You know, there's some of these graves. You have a little graveyard set up here. Here's a grave that doesn't have the dirt filled in yet, so you can put the grave in there. This guy goes over here. Oops. Let's see, we want to put in a tree over here, back behind everything. Do that. You can also put in your, you know, Heroscape trees if you want to, you know. Might as well, since you have them, right? Go ahead and put them in, and that type of thing. And we'll just fill in the rest of the spots here. And there we go. There's, oh, we can also add miscellaneous stuff, right? We've got some other gravestones here. You know, there's all kinds of them, and you can put them anywhere you like. And they go across any of these different areas. And if you want to, you can have a little entrance into the graveyard. Just whatever you like to put on there, however you like to do that. You can also, if you need to, these can get glued down to these tiles if you want to make it more permanent. Anyway, that is just a quick example of how you can build with you know, Heroscape tiles and HyGround tiles together. And they both go horizontal connections and vertical connections. And the cool part, I mean, if you need to, you can just remove this and, you know, or you can put it in play at some point during the game, whatever you like. All right, enjoy.